Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking to take your trading skills to the next level, then you are in the right place. Okay, in this video, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful charting techniques out there. Okay, specifically, we are going to be looking at the Kase bar chart. All right, we're going to be looking at the Kase bar chart. All right. Now, I know many of you are familiar with traditional bar charts, okay? But in this video, we want to explore why the Kase bar chart can be a game changer for your trading strategy. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this tool to enhance your analysis and make smarter trading decisions, okay? So let us get started. First off, what is the Kase bar chart? Well, unlike your traditional bar chart, which typically shows the open, high, low, and close of a price during a specific time frame, the Kase bar chart focuses on price movement in a more dynamic way. All right. It is designed to help you spot trends and reversals with more precision, making it a great tool for identifying market momentum. Now, the Kase bar chart is based on the work of Dr. Julie Kase, a renowned expert in technical analysis. So, this charting technique uses bars, colored bars that represent price movement in a simplified yet powerful way. So the key benefit here is that it reduces the noise seen in traditional candlestick or bar charts, allowing you to spot trends and shift more clearly. So how do we read the Kase bar chart? The bars themselves are the core elements. Okay, so each bar has a specific color that tells you whether the market is bullish or bearish. All right, a green bar means the price is rising, indicating upward momentum, while a red bar, on the other hand, means the price is falling, showing a bearish move. But here is where it gets interesting. The size of the bars also plays a crucial role. All right, larger bars, when you notice larger bars, they represent stronger price movement. Okay, while smaller bars indicate weaker moves. You can see this period of consolidation that took place around here. Shorter bars represent weaker moves, while longer bars shows that there was some level of strong momentum in the market at the time. Okay, now what is fantastic about this is that you don't have to sit there analyzing analyzing every small price change. The Kase bar chart highlights the most important price movements, giving you a clearer view of the market trends. So now you might be wondering, why should I use the Kase bar chart instead of a traditional candlestick or bar chart? Well, here's the thing. Traditional charts can sometimes overwhelm you with information, and if you're not careful, you might miss out on key trends. With the Kase bar chart, you get a simplified view that still provides all the necessary insights without the clutter. So what makes the Kase bar chart stand out is its ability to highlight price momentum more accurately. For example, if you see consecutive green bars with increasing size, there's a clear sign that the market is gaining bullish momentum. On a traditional chart, you might not catch this as easy because of all the fluctuations. Okay, in short, the Kase bar chart helps you focus on the big picture while filtering out the noise, which is essential for efficient Forex trading. Now that you know how to read the Kase bar chart, let us talk about how to use it in your trading strategy. One of the key things to look for is the transition between bars. Okay, For example, if you see a series of red bars turning into green ones, this could indicate a shift from a bearish to a bullish market. This is an ideal point to start considering potential entry signals for long positions. Okay, another key signal is when you see a series of large bars in one color. All right, sorry that I couldn't get the indicator on my chart, so that is the reason why I have to just work with what I have on my screen right now. Okay, so please pardon me for that. All right, but basically, if you get the case bar chart, whether as a custom indicator or you find it inbuilt on your trading platform, just watch out for the color codes. Okay, watch out for the change in the color. The red bars indicating bearish momentum and the green bars indicating bullish momentum. Okay, large green bars are going to show that you have a strong uptrend, and large red bars are going to suggest a strong downtrend. All right, this allows you to act quickly and stay on top of market movements. You also want to pay attention to the strength of the bars. Okay, smaller bars, when you notice smaller bars, they often indicate a pause or consolidation in the market, which could be a great time to wait for a stronger signal before entering a trade. So this is where patience comes in. Sometimes it's better to wait for that big bar before acting. Okay, so why should you add the case bar chart to your toolkit? Okay, there are a few key benefits to using this charting method, which include clarity, trend identification, and efficiency. The case bar chart removes the noise that comes with traditional charts, giving you a cleaner, clearer view of the market. And it helps you identify trends and reversals with better accuracy, which is crucial for marking, or for making informed trading decisions. By focusing on the most significant price movements, it allows you to trade more efficiently without getting bogged down in unnecessary details. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering the case bar chart can elevate your trading strategy and give you an edge in the market. Okay, so that wraps up the breakdown on the case bar chart and how it can be a game changer for your forex trading strategy. If you are looking to spot trends more accurately and and make more informed decisions, then this tool is actually worth considering. Okay, you can consider adding it to your trading arsenal and trying it out on a demo account first before using it on your live chart. So if you found this video in any way helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth trading strategies and tips. And as always, leave your thoughts or comments in the comments section. Okay, love to hear from you. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.